Hi, I'm Laura from YoungWritersWorkshops.com, and I'm going to talk about how to make reading fun for kids. Reading can be a fun activity when done in a group, especially if you're making reading a part of other activities. So using a group discussion format, so kids really get to talk about books that they've read. They can make comments on books that other students have read, ask questions. They can feel like an expert on a book that they've read. Reading is also fun when you make a reader's theater activity where students can act out stories. Students really enjoy being physically involved in the process of storytelling. So reader's theater activity, which involves students playing the parts of characters in a story, can really make reading a lot of fun for them. In general, finding ways for students to choose their own books about topics that they're really interested in will make reading more fun and appealing for them. Also, art projects related back to reading can be a fun way to really engage kids. For example, they might make a chart of all the books that they've read, and then they have the motivation of being able to add a symbol or add a segment to their reading caterpillar every time they finish a book. Making an illustration that illustrates their favorite part of a book that they've read can also be a way to make it a lot of fun. Encourage students to have book-related accessories such as bookmarks or a special book bag, ways that reading is a special and fun thing that can have some physical component to it is also a really good tactic. So those are some ideas about making reading fun for kids.